The sky is never still. It breathes, bends to the wind, hides corridors of energy and pockets of silence. A glider can feel only a whisper of this world. Sornav turns that whisper into direction. It doesn't replace SOAR, the system that enters and centers the thermal. It gives it a mind, a digital instinct that chooses where to search, when to push, and when to change course. Its flight territory can be defined as a radius, a shape created through rally points, or up to 10 custom polygons loaded directly from onboard storage. With a small gesture on the sticks, the entire area recenters, as if the sky itself were sliding under the wings. Inside this space, Sornav weaves an invisible grid, known cells, untouched cells, and places where the air itself might be whispering of lift. Whenever SOAR enters thermal mode, Sornav holds its breath. It listens to the variometer, filters the noise, measures the true strength of the lift. When the moment deserves memory, an hotspot is born. And when hotspots gather, the air reveals a secret, a cluster. That's when focus mode emerges, a small, precise search pattern trying to rediscover the heart of the thermal. If the lift is lost, the re-engage takes over. A wide arc, a deliberate turn, and a return toward the predicted position of the column. Because the wind moves everything. Every hotspot is projected forward in time, toward where the thermal should be now. If multiple lifts align, Sornav recognizes a thermal street, and when terrain helps, it can tap into ridge lift, gliding along slopes with quiet efficiency. Altitude is the lifeblood. Sornav reads it, interprets it, and converts it into energy states. Normal, low, critical. These states dictate whether to explore, preserve, or shift the strategy entirely. When the flight becomes stagnant, the anti-stuck logic awakens. Tactical deviations, repositioning maneuvers, and if needed, a random fallback that breaks the deadlock and puts the glider back into motion. Safety is an invisible companion. The glide cone continuously recalculates the minimum altitude required to return home, not to arrive close, but to arrive for real. Terrain evasion scans the path ahead, diverts from danger, and only then hands control back to strategy. If flying a motor glider, a dedicated failure handling sequence guides the aircraft toward the RTL radius, ensuring a controlled return. Meanwhile, Sornav refines itself. Adaptive waypoint timeouts stretch or shrink with the wind. Intelligent rerouting opens new promising paths. The aircraft's polar is updated in flight through Polar Learn, and the pilot always remains above the logic. A touch on the sticks pauses navigation, centers the search area, or asserts manual override. A minimal language for complete control. Sornav was born in Ardu Pilot's Citadel, shaped by digital storms in real flight, and stretched across vast skies in Microsoft Flight Simulator. And then it flew for real, tested in multiple real-world scenarios, through generous days and stingy ones, learning the subtleties of living air. Sornav is not just a Lua script. It is a new way of listening to the sky. A mind that looks not only for a thermal, but for a possibility turning autonomous flight into something uncannily close to human intuition. Curious, cautious when needed, bold when the sky invites it.